Ladies and gentlemen, simple ideas can go very far. And in today's video, we're going to be breaking down a website, a Shopify store that has cleared over 100 million in revenue and is on its way to become basically a billion-dollar brand off of a very simple concept. And there is not just things to learn from the concept itself, but there's a lot of things to learn here, from community building to audience or brand positioning to website design to ad strategy. There's so many things, and we're going to try to break it down in the simplest way possible in today's video. So let's hop right in. Now, what I'm talking about here is called the Quad Lock case. Now, as you see, what this website sells is a phone case that allows you to keep your phone safe. As you see, this is basically the incredible design and innovation here, is that they created this case that allows you to charge your phone, apparently, and it just fits perfectly with a lot of different sports things that people may use, right? So for example, people who ride bikes, like this, for example, people who ride motorcycles, who work out, they can use this case because it plugs right into, some fitness equipment or whatever it is you're using. It has a lot of applications, but if you boil it down to its most simple thing or foundation, I guess, it's a phone case. It's a phone case that can mount to a lot of different things. Now, first feature I want to highlight, obviously the website just speaks perfectly to the type of people that would buy this product. And I love how they have this shop by activity tab. I think that's absolutely genius right here. Marine, off-road, cycle, car. It just shows you all the different demographics that they're targeting. And each one of these, for example, with meta ads, you could target through separate interests, create creatives or ads specifically for those audiences, and tap into the ones that are going to make you the most money at the cheapest cost while still growing your community, right? And building your business. And then, of course, ambassadors of all kinds from all different activities. Very, very clever again. So extremely good use of influencer marketing. And then even this sort of blog or newsletter, right? So they're showing you what's going on in their community, which is, again, so clever, right? They're harboring this community. So basically by buying this, you're going to feel like a part of this community that even celebrities and major athletes are a part of. So great way to get people hyped up, right? Now, here's a little bit, here's a little feature that I found that I think is super cool that I've actually never seen before. So this alone makes this video worth it for me, is this follow tab. So since they do have a pretty significant audience, they write the numbers here of their following, the follower count on each platform. I don't know why, but that just looks so clean to me. And it's also really interesting to see that Facebook is their biggest one. People are sleeping on Facebook as a social media platform to post on because I think people just assume it's for boomers or whatever, which it kind of is. But at the same time, there's a ridiculous amount of users on Facebook. And this brand knows exactly what they're doing when it comes to their advertising. As you see, they're running over 800 different creatives on meta ads. And since we just looked at their social media distribution, we can probably assume that most of it is being targeted towards Facebook placements. But obviously, Instagram placements are just as easy to target with meta ads. If you don't know how to run meta ads, you need to get started on that as soon as possible. There's resources to do that in the description. But either way, meta ads are extremely powerful. And this just goes to show that when you have basically a great product and you are taking all these things into account, like community building and whatnot, and actually thinking about your customer avatar and running ads, I mean, that's just an incredibly powerful combination. And it can really take something to an insane level. I mean, it's going to be pretty exciting to see this brand do over $1 billion in revenue. I know that they're not there yet, but I can see exactly how they could accomplish it. And they're really doing it, right? They're already on their way there, and they're doing all the right steps, building their community their own way, building their blueprint. And that's super inspiring for me. So, as you see, so many different ads, literally all kinds of ads, UGC ads, really highly produced ads of all kind here. And again, it's just a phone case. So really genius, total addressable market if you think about it, because everybody has a phone nowadays. But it's just interesting. This is another thing that I thought about is, for example, with the iPhone, who would have thought, I wonder if Steve Jobs, when he created the iPhone, if he thought that eventually they would be billion-dollar brands that sell phone cases, iPhone cases, right? I just think that's incredible. With every new piece of innovation, there's just like a giant wave of products and ideas that come with that innovation, and it just creates a really cool cycle of innovation. So really cool stuff. I mean, I'm very obsessed with this brand, as you can see. I just love what they're doing with their community building. I think they're building it super clean. They're getting great engagement. And as you see, they're now starting to take advantage of TikTok and short form content. So I'm admiring this brand a lot. I would love to hopefully be able to connect with some of the owners or something if any of you are watching this video. Either way, can't wait to see this become a billion-dollar brand, and I can't wait to build a business like this myself. This is really inspiring, and I hope that inspiration is resonating with you as well. If not, that's okay. Tomorrow's a new day, new video, so stay tuned, subscribe for more, check out all the links in the description, and that's it. Peace.